Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Blakemore. I teach travel and sometimes triumph, and this is going to be a weird recappy type teach video. This video is going to be slightly different to videos that I normally make. I recently put up a bit of a poll/questions thing on Instagram asking you guys what you would like to see in terms of videos. A lot of people said that they'd like to see more vlog type videos, which surprised me, and more of the whole weekly vlog things. Weekly vlogs is definitely something that I'm going to be getting back into. I've sort of stopped doing weekly vlogs because of two main reasons. Number one is super crazy busy, and number two is, I don't know, I just don't feel like they're as interesting, but obviously some people are quite interested in those videos, which is nice to hear, so I can always start those again. This week has been really good, really quick, and there was one really big highlight, and that was Bruno, the person who created Times Table Rockstars, came into school for an assembly. Now, for those of you that don't know what Times Table Rockstars is, it's basically an interactive game online. Schools basically pay for it as a subscription package, and yeah, it's something where the children log on, answer a range of different times table questions, earn points, spend the points, and it's fantastic because children are engaged in a game that's educational, but at the same time, like having fun. Now, I've sort of find myself hooked into the game at the same time because the assembly sort of launched a sort of competitive program between different year groups. So I find myself sort of hooked into this game. One thing I do want to say is I'm going to talk about Times Table Rockstars quite a bit in this video, and one of the days specific, I can't say specifically, so one of the days specifically where we had this Times Table Rockstars assembly, I want you to know that this is not sponsored by Times Table Rockstars, like I wish. I just think it's a fantastic resource. I spoke in a previous video about the golden resource, the ones that are marked for the children. So that's like a golden resource where you set something for the children and it's marked for them, they get immediate feedback. And Times Table Rockstars is one of those. So let's talk through the day. So to start off with, I was asked to sort of perform drums as part of a Rockstar assembly. And now I haven't played drums in probably about 6 years. I started when I was 8. So yeah, practicing drums. So yeah, a little bit rusty, but I was asked to play the drums and obviously I said yes. And really looking back on it now, it was quite a big audience. So the children came in and we put these wigs on. The children were so engaged. Bruno was really cool, actually. You know, you get these, sometimes you get people in who sort of, I don't know it all, but he really connected well with the children, and the children absolutely love the assembly and are definitely more focused towards times tables. Times tables are key within school, and I often find it difficult to think of games and things like that to try and develop them. It's also one of those things like you should be doing times tables regularly, and sometimes you just don't have the time in school or forget. So it's just a great resource to sort of launch. Now, I've obviously got hooked into it, so I did want to show you my times table skills and how it sort of looks. So I'll show you mine now. Okay, I'll admit that's not my times tables. That's actually a child in my class, and I honestly think he is possibly the fastest 7-year-old, potentially in the world, maybe? Like human calculator speed. He is the fastest in the school, and he is only year 3. Super fast. Yeah, you can see that the children absolutely love it, and it's a great resource for the children. As I said at the start of the video, I'm going to be making more videos a little bit like this and starting to do the whole weekly vlog thing again. So this video has been a little bit more of a recap, but hopefully you've enjoyed it and maybe took a little bit of something away from the video. So if you enjoyed the video, feel free to like it. Bit of a weird video, but if you love the video, you can hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell and you'll be alerted when I post. I look forward to creating more content for you guys in terms of teaching, and then eventually it'll be the holidays, so travel videos. I'll see you in the next one, guys, and for now, I'm out.